बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, class 4, welcome to your science class, and today we are going to start revision of some of your topics which you have learned. Okay, light sources. There is a worksheet. Write down your name and date. It is mandatory. Without name I will not accept your worksheet, so write down your name and date first. Okay, light sources. There are some pictures, and in these pictures there are some light sources. Now what is this? This is bulb, sun, traffic light, car light, stars, torch, television light, lamp. Okay, you have to write the names of the light sources. Now the second worksheet, match the correct word with the description. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आपको वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं और इधर इनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन दी गई है, और आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन से मैच करना है, सही डिस्क्रिप्शन से सही वर्ड को मैच करना है. It is the maximum number of individuals that can live in a habitat without causing any harm. Carrying capacity. Okay. It makes living things sick and can ever transfer through a food chain. ये क्या करता है? It makes living things sick and can even transfer through a food chain. What is the answer? Pollution. क्या करता है? लोगों को बीमार, चीज़ों को बीमार करता है, लिविंग थिंग्स को बीमार करता है, और ये किससे ट्रांसफ़र होती है? फूड चेन से ट्रांसफ़र, जो हम ग़िज़ा खाते हैं उससे ट्रांसफ़र होता है. व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ पोल्यूशन. इट इज़ क्लियरिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फॉर वेरियस पर्पसेस इंक्लूडिंग एग्रीकल्चर एंड हाउसिंग. Deforestation. I am an organism that is seriously at risk of extinction. What is the best term to describe me? Endangered. I am an organism that has completely disappeared from the earth. What is the best term to describe me? What is the best term to describe me? Is extinct. Okay, you have to match correct words. Now there are three major types of rocks depending upon how they are formed. Write down a few sentences on the formation of each type of rock and mention some of its examples. Number 1, igneous rock. Igneous rock. As you have learned igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. What are these? How they formed? Igneous rock. How am I formed? By the cooling of molten magma on the earth surface. Sorry. कैसे फॉर्म होती है? How am I formed? By the cooling of molten magma on the earth's surface. And what are the examples of igneous rock? Granite, basalt, pegmatite, scory, tuff, etc. Sedimentary rocks. How am I formed? When sediments is deposited out of air, ice, wind, gravity or water flows carrying the particles in suspension. Okay. What are the examples of sedimentary rocks? Gypsum, limestone, arkose, sandstone, shale, etc. Metamorphic rock. How am I formed? From other rocks that are changed because of because of because of heat or pressure. What are the examples of metamorphic rocks? Slate, marble, quartzite, etc. These are the types of tiles. Okay. Now the last worksheet, फुली क्रॉसवर्ड्स. अब आपको क्रॉसवर्ड्स बनाने हैं. मैं आपको यहाँ पे बता देती हूँ. यहाँ पे आपको नंबर्स दिए गए हैं, उसके हिसाब से आपको इसमें ये वर्ड्स लिखने होंगे. नंबर 1, द सिस्टम विच कंटेन्स बोथ फिक्स्ड एंड मूवेबल पुलीज इज कॉल्ड अ compound pulley system. Combined or compound pulley system. A pulley is used in rope to move flag upward. Down. अच्छा, across में आपको ये वाले 1 और 2 लिखने हैं और down में आपको थ्री, 4 and 5. The pulley which moves with the load is called movable pulley. Okay. The pulley which is attached to fixed point is called fixed pulley. An large hadron collider is one of the largest and most expensive machine we use every day. Do you know what is a pulley? A pulley is a simple machine where is made up of a pulley is a simple machine which is made up of wheel and rope. ठीक है बच्चों, ये आपको वर्कशीट्स करनी है. अपना नाम लिखना नहीं भूलिएगा. विदाउट नेम आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट योर worksheets, and do preparation for your annual examination that will be after Eid inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.